Hold on a second. Let me make sure I'm in focus. I'm just doing a focus check. This don't got nothing to do with my boys, you know what I'm saying? Just, let's go. What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie, back again with B.A.N.G. Budget and Nougat reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. Now, I'm doing something that I haven't done on this channel here in a while. You know, it's been pretty much like Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth headphones like these dope studio monitors I just reviewed. Make sure you go check that video out. But one of the things that one of my first videos on this channel was a budget phone review. That was the ZTE Z Max Pro, which actually my wife, the Vainglorious Jehovah, who y'all have seen more than a few times here on this channel, actually still uses till this day. But I picked this up, man, because I heard a lot of good things about it, and I wanted to see what's good. The Honor 7X. Is this the best phone for $200? Well, we're gonna turn the camera around and find out. All right, folks, we got the Honor 7X here, man. Pretty interesting little device for $199. You can pick this up on Amazon. Basically $200. You got your pretty budget device. Seen a lot of reviews on it. Seen a lot of the talk about it. Seems to be pretty nice. Let's turn it around back here. You got the Honor full view display. It says 16 plus 2 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera. Then you got a 3340 milliamp hour battery on it. The version that I picked up is a 32 gigabyte version with 3 gigabytes of RAM. We'll see how this does. We'll see how Jehovah likes this. We're gonna switch her phone out. I'm gonna just do this quick unboxing, let you know what's up. Then we're gonna switch her phone out and get it going. So let's go ahead and pop this open. So we get the phone right here on top. We'll do the thing and go ahead and set that to the side. We got our quick start guide right there. You actually get a little case, which is pretty cool. I was looking for some cases. I actually ordered one from B.A.N.G. This is a clear case. You know, just something to throw on there. So get your USB. We call these around in my house. We call these booty. You know. Don't ask why, but you get and you get your cable. A lot of people are tight about this being a USB micro instead of USB-C. Now it is a budget device, but at the same going, that ZTE Z Max Pro, which is an older device and budget, does have USB-C. So that's pretty interesting, but you know, we'll make it work no matter what. That seems to be it. Get all of that out the way. Let's get the phone. Now, I gotta say, wow. I definitely don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting this. This feels nice. This does not feel like any budget device that I've held whatsoever. You can see the camera right there. Screen is crazy shiny. Let's go ahead and boot this up. Okay, we got a little power on a logo. Let's see this boot animation. Okay, yeah. Not mad at this at all. Everything's going bezel-less nowadays, and so for a budget phone to have these small bezels, look, very small bezels on the side, very thin bezels up here at the top. Now, it's not completely bezel-less. You got your Honor logo down here, got your camera up here on the front. Here's your speaker grill at the top. Turn it around back. Let's peel this off. There we go. Come on, work with me now. Give it to me. I want it. Yeah, this metal unibody design. Wow, this really feels nice. I haven't seen a budget phone feel like this in a while. You know, back here you got your 2 cameras, you got your fingerprint reader, there's your flash, you got your bands right here for your antenna, a little bit of branding down here at the bottom. You know, this is not bad, man. This is really not bad. Here, let's go into it. Let's start. Now this has the EMI, the EMUI, so you know, not stock Android at all, which you shouldn't really expect on a phone like this. Here, let's bring it up here. All right, so yeah, this isn't stock Android at all, but you know, it feels pretty responsive. This screen is nice. Hold on, let's see if we can make it a little bit brighter. I just want to see what it looks like. It'll probably be blown out, but yeah, max brightness. Yeah, it's probably blown out on the camera. Let me turn it back down. But on max brightness, this looks pretty good. I like this screen. This is really nice. You know, here, let me put the Wi-Fi in. Here, let's go to YouTube. Go to DVZN Media. Just dropped a new video today. Y'all make sure y'all go check that out. The speaker is not the most amazing speaker. You definitely won't get blown away with the speaker, but it doesn't sound horrible. But I mean, I can see in a loud environment, you're not really loving the speaker. Like I'm used to like my Nexus 6P or, you know, something really loud. This isn't the loudest speaker. The screen looks great though. I mean, I am not mad at that at all. Let's see if we can find some more specs. All right, so here we have a edge-to-edge all-screen design with the high screen-to-body ratio, 2160 by 1080 FHD plus resolution. We got an 18 by 9 screen. That's the new thing, to get 18 by 9 instead of 16 by 9. So if you're watching like wide-angle videos, there's a dual lens, 16 megapixel with a 2 megapixel rear camera. The camera is supposed to be able to give you that portrait mode. You know, let's see if we can take a picture. Pretty fast shutter. A little lag, not the most lag. Yeah, let's see. What is this? Oh, this is the wide aperture. So let's see. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this off to the Vangloria Cehova. She's gonna put a card in, download all her apps, do everything that she do on her phone, use this for about a week or so. Then we gonna come back and do the review together. Y'all gonna let me know what y'all think. Any questions that y'all wanna ask, like we're gonna do a real review, real options, real things that you might wanna know. Leave that down below in the comments. It's your boy Dookie. I'm gonna get up out of here, man. Make sure to holler at your boy.